Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will cover finding and hiring bookkeeping talent. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
For some, hiring a bookkeeper is a must-have for their business. It may come as a big expense, but there are a lot of benefits of letting a professional handle these things. One big benefit is that when you delegate this work, you can now focus more on the other aspects of your company. However, you may feel that you don't know enough about bookkeeping to hire the right person. Don't worry. In this lesson, you'll find key questions on what to look for in a bookkeeper and some helpful tips for hiring the right candidate. When starting a new business, it's important to keep expenses to a minimum at all times. Hiring to do something that you can do yourself may seem counterintuitive, but in reality, can be really beneficial. Having an expert organize your finances will save you time and money. This, in turn, can allow you to focus more on building your business and following your dream. When it comes to finding the right bookkeeper, here are 5 tips to find the perfect fit for your business. 1. Hire someone who understands the business. When choosing a bookkeeper, don't hire someone who has a one-size-fits-all experience. They will not waste your time, but can also create costly errors. Find someone who truly understands your business and your unique financial needs. Ask them if they have worked with a business like yours, or maybe if they have experienced working with companies who have the same size and number of employees. 2. Choose a local or remote bookkeeper. Ideally, you want to be in touch with your bookkeeper at all times. However, with the advancement of technology, many bookkeepers now have the privilege to work remotely and assist clients in different parts of the world. Whether you choose to hire a local or remote worker, make sure that they understand the local business laws and regulations. 3. Check for credibility. You have to make sure the person you're working with is legit and certified. Ask about their training and real-world experience. Ask for certifications. 2 primary certifications include 1 accredited by the National Association of Certified Public Bookkeepers and by the American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers. Request professional references. Spend time talking with a person to gauge your comfort level. After all, you want somebody who you can trust your financial information with. 4. Ask what software they use. If you already have a preferred software, will they be fine using that? If not, will you be given full administrative rights to their software? 5. Find someone with tax experience. Your bookkeeper should not only be great at recording your transactions, but should also be someone who can assist you in taxes. They should be knowledgeable regarding tax laws and should be able to reach your financial goals faster. Applying these 5 tips will help you to see what this person would prioritize if they work with you. If their priorities align with yours, then they could be a good fit for your business. When hiring a bookkeeper, don't limit yourself to those you know personally. Bookkeeping options are available everywhere. Why not widen out your search? Bookkeeping firms and remote workers are both great mediums for finding a great candidate. A little research and investigation might lead you to a perfect bookkeeper. As long as the person you hire has the right qualifications, the way you hire them would be less of importance. As mentioned in Lesson 2, you might want to only bring in a bookkeeper to check the books periodically. This can save on costs, while preventing careless mistakes that you, as an inexperienced bookkeeper, might make. As you learn more about bookkeeping, you might call in your bookkeeper less frequently, until you're able to do it all on your own. As a small business owner, you have the scope and power to decide what works best for you. You can try to do your own bookkeeping at first, and then hire someone so you can focus on other things. Or learn from a professional and take over when you feel confident. Conclusion. The role of a bookkeeper is to record transactions, organize accounts, and reconcile the books. The difference between a bookkeeper and an accountant is that a bookkeeper tracks the company's finances, while an accountant uses the data to analyze the financial health of the company. If you're planning on doing your own bookkeeping, there are several online bookkeeping software that can be used to track your finances, automate billing and invoicing, and manage accounting within the company. QuickBooks, Wave, Xero, and Sage are all great options for small businesses, each with their own pros and cons. Make sure to check out their websites for more information and pricing options. Most importantly, choose the best one according to your business needs and preferences. If you hire a bookkeeper for your business, make sure that they understand the specific needs of your business and that their services are catered accordingly. Carefully examine your business. As a small business owner, hiring a bookkeeper is a wise investment, saving you more money and allows you to focus on other important parts of the business. Dealing with your bookkeeping needs can be very difficult when you're starting out. The contrast of spending money in order to save money is a constant dilemma you'll face throughout your journey. Whether you decide to do your own bookkeeping or hire a professional, you'll hopefully feel more confident about the significance of bookkeeping for your business.